Hello everyone, welcome back to my Nisma garage. This car is making some weird noises. Today we will diagnose and fix the problem. And I'm thinking maybe catalytic converter, but let's hear it. Oh, mati. So we figure out this car has a problem with the belt, serpentine belt. This is a 2001 Honda Civic, 1.7 liter, no VTEC. So what happened is the alternator belt was slapping against the cover and making some crackling noise. So we'll replace both the power steering belt and the alternator belt. So what we have to do is take this off, take it out of the way, loosen the belt, and replace it. Loosen the nut for the power steering. Then loosen the wing nut. Loosen the 12mm nut on this side and take the belt off. Power steering. Here you go. That's the power steering belt. And we'll take the power steering out of the way. Move the power steering out of the way. So look at the belt, it's frayed already. It's halfway gone. So first thing on this alternator to loosen the tension is to loosen that wing nut here. So loosen the wing nut and then loosen the 14 millimeter. So there's a 12 millimeter nut for the adjustment. Then once we loosen that, the alternator loose tension here. Now once we loosen that bolt or nut, we can take the alternator belt off. Feed that through. There it is. Okay, wow. That looks pretty bad. Sign of a bad belt. Make sure they're same length. They are. So put the belt back around the crank pulley, under the AC, and then over the alternator. So I'll show you. Can't really see from here, but there's a 12 millimeter bolt at the end of the bolt for the wing nut that you have to loosen. Then there's another 14 millimeter nut. That one, that's not the one that you want to take out. It's the one right like around this area, 12 millimeter. That's to retain the bracket, but that's the one you want to loosen to give slack on the alternator. Okay, let's fit this through. We got that over the alternator and under the compressor. Just need to start tightening tension a little bit. I tightened the belt. They said turn the belt 90 degree. That's right, about 90 degree. So I think we're gonna start tightening the alternator down. And we'll put the power steering pump back and the belt. So it's over both the crank pulley and the power steering pump. Tighten the two bolts, two 12mm bolts after you get the belt where you need it. So guys, that's how you change the belt, serpentine belt, drive belt on 2001 Honda Civic. But the idea you can do for any cars. Just make sure one thing, the belt tension is good. You can do by turning the belt 90 degrees, and if it goes over 90 degrees, then it's too loose. If it's under 90 degrees, it's too tight. So that should get you the right tension on the belt. And let's start the car. So far so good. Let's turn on the AC. AC's on. No squeak. Turning the steering wheel. Make sure no squeak. guys, thank you for watching.